How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is download an app called Crunchyroll. This is the app right here. You can download it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Now, there are also other many websites and apps from which you can watch Naruto Shippuden, but Crunchyroll is one of the best ones out there. So simply open the Crunchyroll app up and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, head over to the search bar that is on the top right and simply search for Naruto Shippuden. And after you search for Naruto Shippuden, you should find it right here. Tap on it. And here you should see start watching season 1 episode 1. Tap on it to start watching. And yeah, that is basically how you watch it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.